How to start a Gmail account without phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to start a Gmail account without a phone number. To start the process, open your Gmail application on your mobile device. Now, tap on profile icon on your top right. Here, tap on add another account. After that, tap on Google. Now tap on create account. Select for myself, then tap on next. Now type your first name, then enter your surname. Tap on next. Now enter your birthday, then enter your gender. Tap on next. Now pick a Gmail address or create your own. Then tap on next. Now create a strong password. Then tap on next again. Now add a phone number to your account. This is how you can start a Gmail account without a phone number. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.